Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. So in order to send your USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet, the first step would be to head to the assets menu, scroll till you find your list of assets and take note of the amount of USDT you hold. Once you've taken note of that, click on the withdraw option. Once you've selected withdraw, use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for USDT. So simply click on Tether USDT. And once you selected Tether USDT, make sure you are providing an address and a network, and also you have the minimum withdrawal to remove your tokens, as that is required in order to withdraw. Remember, we are making an on-chain transfer, not an internal transfer. So with on-chain transfers, it's basically moving your tokens from one Web3 wallet or from one exchange to another wallet or from one wallet to another exchange. All right. So with that out of the way, we have to select the network that we're going to be using for this transaction. And in this tutorial video, we're going to be going with the TRC20. So click on the TRC20. The minimum withdrawal is $2.06, and we have a withdrawal fee of $1.03. Now, all you need to do is provide the address from your Trust Wallet. So minimize, and then open up your Trust Wallet application. Once you've opened up Trust Wallet, use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for USDT. And once you search for USDT, where it says Tron or Tether Tron, click on this. And as you can see at the top, the network is shown, which is the TRC20 and Tron. So now all you need to do is click on receive, copy your address or scan the QR code, head back to Bybit, paste the address you copied there, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and simply click on the withdraw option, and your token would be withdrawn successfully. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.